Right, today we're doing headlight bulbs. The dip beam on the Civic is shocking. I'll put a quick clip up now so you can see what it's like. It is terrible. So we're going to replace them. So I've pulled the car out the drive. Now I'm going to work out which bulbs in the headlight I need to remove. So first off, I have to open the bonnet. So I'll go and do that. Ignore how dirty the car is. I haven't washed it for about 3 weeks. The weather's been shocking, but anyway. So I've got the facelift headlights there. Down there is where we need to be. I think it's that one there at the top. On either side, which that side looks dead easy. What we'll do, switch the headlights on. Right, so we'll put the side lights on. So that's showing us which our side light bulb is. That's the one we're changing, the yellow one. Side lights are quite nice and white, so they've been replaced already. That's obviously your main beam, so it's a dip beam that we're going to be replacing. So these are the ones I need to get to, so that's alright. So now we've worked that out, we can go and get some bulbs. So we've got some bulbs here. Osram Night Breakers, H1s apparently is what I need for this. I think I've had these before in my old T4 van. I can't really remember, but something through the door, postman. So what we'll do is we'll get the old ones out and replace them with them. Hopefully they'll be better, because they look like a bluer one. They say they're brighter. I've dropped one on the floor. And there's a cat looking at it. Excellent. Typically there's not a lot of room in here, right? But you need to take this plug off here. And then you've got a rubber boot here which needs to come off also. So I'll try and get that off. This screen wash bottle's right in the way typically. The other side, masses of room. So I'll be able to fill that a bit better. So it's a bit tight and fiddly, and there's a clip there, a little spring clip you can just see there. I'll show you how to get that one in a minute on the other side, but you wiggle out that, which is just the guard, and then you're left for your bulb and your bulb holder. So they are H1 bulbs. Same as those, so that's good. All you do is you just pull your bulb out. It might take a bit of wiggling, so I might have to do this two hands, will I? How can I do it? It'll come out, no bother. There you go. So now we'll put a new one in. That's it done. It's still a bit yellow actually, but that's that side done. It does look a lot brighter than this side, which I haven't done yet. Let's hope. Right, so you take your plug out. Easy as that. You're left for this rubber boot here, which just pulls out like that. At the top of your light, I'm doing this without seeing by the way, but at the top of the light you've got this spring clip here. Hopefully you can see that. Can you? To the top there. Push that in, move it to the side, let it fall down. And out comes your bulb and your bulb holder. So fit your new bulb, same as before. Push it in and get your clip, put it over the top, turn it to the side, and it should lock in. Should, I don't get it at all. That's you. Right, put the boot back on.
were rubbish. I actually stopped driving the car because I was driving down the road and you're sort of heading towards other traffic. Their lights kind of, you couldn't see anything on the road at all. But Ghost headlights are ridiculous, proper bright white. Even on dip beam, they're really bright. Maybe that's what I'm used to, I don't know, but we'll see how these get on. They didn't cost much, I think they're £8 for the two, so. The old ones might be there for a while, but they're definitely yellower. These ones look a little bit whiter, but they're definitely brighter when I switch them on in the headlights. Maybe that's just because they're old, the other ones are old, I don't know, but they look better. So that's that for now.